probably here because your friends don't even know how to uninstall or reinstall an optical drive, or they just don't know what an optical drive is. Or they just pull something like this in Discord. Hey, Cold Fries, do you know how to install an optical?
No.
Oh, okay. Membo, do you know how to install one? Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh god. Oh no. Okay, before we start working on the optical, we need to learn what type of optical you have. And, well, there's really three main types. You have your CD, your DVDs, and your Blu-ray. Now, the CD's trash. You don't want to use it. No one uses these anymore. Just use the DVDs, please. Now, the DVDs is just much better. Like, it's backwards compatible with CD, and you should be fine if you use it. No one's going to make fun of you. Okay, maybe a little, but okay. And the Blu-ray's probably the better one out of all these. It's just backwards compatible with both the CD and the DVDs, and it can hold a lot more storage with it, and it's pretty easy to install. It's nothing hard. You should be fine if you uninstall and reinstall it, unless you're like me. But note that if you do get a Blu-ray, you should be able to like do anything with it, and always look for upgrades. RPM, it's always good to know. But yeah, you should be good. Fine and dandy. Now, before we get into the computer, we need to take out the computer side panel. Now, as you can see, there's a screw here, and well, you have to unscrew the screw in order to be able to take off the side panel. And well, there you go. The side panel's off, like that. It's easy. You did it. Why are you still watching? Now, you're probably wondering where it is, the optical. It's just right here. As you can see, mine's a DVD. You should be able to see it from the front side of your computer or where the USB ports are. And as you can see, all you have to do is unplug the SATA, which has an L shape to it, and unplug the cord that plugs into the motherboard. And I swear this took me like 5 minutes just to take out. I was struggling with this. It took me a while to take out. I don't understand why it took me this long. But I eventually did it, but it just took some elbow grease. Like, holy crap. It took a long time. I had a mental breakdown. Yeah, but after a couple more minutes, I was able to get it out with force, so I won't be able to break the cord. And I was relieved and disappointed. Why? Why am I like this? Now grab your screw box, and I can't even get it open. I am... Now get your screwdriver, and you should be able to see two screws on top of your optical. All you have to do is unscrew them and not screw up like me. Why? I don't know, but unscrew the two screws that are probably shown on top of your optical. It's pretty easy. You really don't need a lot of force to unscrew them. It's pretty easy like that. You don't need a lot of force. As you can see, I'm able to take it out now. I took off the thing that was keeping everything in place, and I am able to take out my optical drive. Now, say I wanted to dispose of this. So, I'm gonna dispose of this real quick. I'll be right back. Get the crap. Yeet! Yeah, I don't understand how my dog didn't fetch that. Whatever, I still love him. After a couple dog pets. Okay, maybe a lot of dog pets. Don't judge. I am back into the computer lab, and I got a new optical drive. Yeah, now all I have to do is make sure it's not upside down like the idiot I am. Okay, I'm not an idiot, but I'm fine. And just put it back in. Put the shield back where it's supposed to go, and make sure you put it on correctly. And then all you really have to do is plug in the two cords and re-screw it up. That's all you had to do. It's not very difficult. It's literally just take out cords, unscrew, take out, put back in, screw up, put the cords back in, done. It's not very complicated. It's an optical drive. It's nothing like a motherboard installation. It's pretty easy. You don't have to worry about well, you do have to worry about damaging it, but not that worrying. It's not very worrying. Like, when I say not that worrying, like, you don't have to do anything special, like spray coffee on it or something like that. I don't know. I just had to think of something off the top of my head. I couldn't think of anything. That was the first thing that came in mind, and as you can see, my screwdriver fell apart. But I put it back together, and I am still screwing it back in. Still screwing, and I finally got it firm. Now, all you have to do is put the side panel back on. But you should not put your computer back after you put the side panel back on. There's still something important you have to do. Not only do you have to make sure it's on there, like, it's fully on there. Because, well, you're going to want to make sure this thing is on. Like, on. Because you don't want the side panel to fall off and oopsie, you dropped all your computer components. But you also want to make sure you reattach the screw. The screw is what keeps it together. And I am trying to find the screw. I'm, well, also trying to firm it together. There was the screw, and as you can see, I am about to reapply the screwdriver, or just the screw. That's the screwdriver. And as you can see, the computer is done. Now all you have to do is just put it back where you are, and I'll put this thing on test drive, just to make sure it works. Now, I'm good. So this is how it works. You put the power button on, you push the button that has the optical, and then you put your favorite game or movie in it, and then you put it back in. I'm gonna put my favorite game, and voila, I am currently playing my favorite game. And as you can see, it is very easy. You don't really need a lot of elbow grease in order to install an optical drive, or even to uninstall. And make sure you dispose of your opticals correctly if you do dispose of them. It's very important. The world needs to be safe. Alright, ready?
Justin, Adam. I think you should screen share as soon as he starts talking, because it takes a little while to load up.
Yeah.
And have it already playing. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe I should ask him first.
No, I think it would just be funnier if it comes right after.
Alright.
Alright. 3. Wait, Justin, are you recording?
Mhm.
You count down for the recording.
Alright.
Much later.
Never mind, it loaded really fast.